Is your Honda Civic's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door switches, hood latches, or key fob malfunctions. Start by inspecting each door switch. They're usually plunger style and located in the door jamb. Make sure they're clean and not misaligned. Next, check the hood latch sensor for corrosion or damage. A bent latch can also trigger false alarms. Finally, try resetting your key fob by cycling the ignition and pressing the lock button. Consult your owner's manual for the exact sequence. Low battery in the fob can also cause issues. Replace the battery and retry the reset. Addressing these potential problems should resolve most false alarms. If basic checks don't solve the problem, your Civic's ECU might need a reset. You can attempt this by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes, but be aware, this might erase radio presets and other settings. For 2022-2025 models with Honda Sensing and Honda Link, check for over-the-air software updates that address alarm issues. If the problem persists, it could indicate a deeper electrical fault, immobilizer problem with error code P624, or defective alarm module. In these cases, consult a certified mechanic. They can use diagnostic tools like OBD-Link to pinpoint the exact cause and perform necessary repairs, which might involve replacing faulty components like door switches or rewiring the system, especially in hybrid models.